Hello crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Marissa, and today I have a little quick tutorial to share on how to use ScrapDiva Designs Mini Record set. Now you guys remember she had a record memory decks that I made the retro Christmas. Oh my gosh, you guys, my brain is having a hard time processing today. So I thought I would do a Halloween one because I remembered that I had picked up these designs from I think it's KB and Friends, and oh my gosh, you guys, it worked out. So I printed up the design of the Monster Mash record, and in my head I thought I'm gonna shrink it down or print out two to a sheet, and this is what I came up with. And so I thought I could use the larger size, but it did not work. It was too big. So then in my computer, you can obviously size this down if you want, but I opted to do 4 images to a page. And I think I've talked about this before. So that's what I did. I did 4 to a page. Now I've already cut 2 off because I made these, but I'm going to show you what I did with the die set. So I measured, the measurement you would want is about 4 7/8 by 2.5-ish or 2 3/8, depending when you cut it out. That was just what I kind of came up with. So you're going to, I think it was this one, right? Yeah. So is it? Oh my gosh, I'm losing my mind. Okay, so for the, it's going to be for the larger set. So what I did was, once I made it that size that I want, I'm going to actually cut opposite end because I want his face here. And since I have 2, or I had 4 to a page, now that I have 2, I'm going to use this to cut it down and make the cover so you won't see the hole, only in the back, right? And then the other thing was, this record size actually fits the record here perfectly. Look at this. So I can do 2 back and front, and now I can, you know, have it be perfect like that. And now it fits in there nicely. How cute is that? So what you're going to do, like I said, is you're going to line up your design to your piece here like this. And I like to get a little washi tape. I don't think this piece is going to hold, but I like to get a little washi tape so that I could hold it there. Let me grab another little piece. I use all the washi tape that I don't want anymore, that I'm not going to use, and I use that to cut out. So I'm going to bring it over here. I have my die cut machine right here. Okay. So now that I cut it out, this is what you end up with. Now, I know it looks kind of weird because I cut out Frank's face, but because I printed out 2, I can definitely cut my piece here like this. And I'm going to use this to cover up. So I'm going to fold this in, although I think it works better when I go backwards. Now you kind of want to eyeball and make sure that you're getting the piece correctly. And let me just fold it this way real quick. And then obviously we'll glue it down. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim this down. And I'm going to now, the other thing I did on these is create a little opening gap there. And to do that, I'm going to find where I want this to sit like this, since I know it's going to go there. And see how I have the little space there? I'm just going to draw it out. And then I'm going to take my little scissors. Where's my fussy cutting scissors? So I'm going to just cut around and kind of follow. So there we go. It's not perfect, but it's okay, it works. So now I'm going to take my glue, which I have sitting over here, and I'm going to just make a quick little glue. Now, I know that there's also a Christmas print and an elf one. I think I'm going to see if I can get it to work with that too. I just ran out of ink. Because I've been printing out photos and it's eating up my ink so like quickly, which I hate. Anyways, okay, the other thing you want to do is you're going to need foam tape, which I don't even know where mine's at. Oh, it's over here. It's hidden over here. So I'm just going to take my little, I need 4 pieces. I'm going to put foam tape on each corner. And I'm going to just add it with, you know, extra reinforcement because this Dollar Tree foam tape is great, but it does come apart. And right now, it's the only place I've been going for glue, and Joann's closed down, and I haven't been to Michael's either because I've been busy with other stuff that I haven't had time even to go check out their Halloween stuff. You guys, I'm like behind. It's so sad. Although I don't think I'll be buying stuff because I have been looking at those prices and the quality of this stuff just does not, to me, it's not worth the price. There was these really cool like wall hangings and someone posted that they found some at theirs, but they were cracked in the back and it was just foam, and they wanted like, I think it was like $40 or $60. Oh, I thought that was crazy. Okay, you want to just line it up nicely. Am I in frame? I don't know. Okay, now if that's kind of getting to me, you guys. Look at that. I don't like that little curve there. I mean, you could always lay it down and follow that. That's a little bit better. Okay, so now I have my record done, and or the sleeve done. And for the record, I'm going to run again. I'm going to, let me cut this. Oh, I have my napkin in here. I was eating a bagel for breakfast today. Stole one from my husband. I usually eat yogurt, but I wanted some carbs. Trying to kick the carb diet where you don't eat as much carbs because I love bread, but oh, I've been fiending for some bread. And look at you guys, I have these little pieces now, and I think it'd be fun to like add some glossy accents and then use this for something fun. I don't know what, but I think it's usable. Okay, so now I'm gonna run it through my machine and it cut it out nicely. Now I'm gonna do the other, oh, I should have done this one. So now I'm gonna line it up with this one, and I'm trying to make sure that I'm like right there, not overly. So the orange one is Frankenstein and the purple one is the witch. Okay, so now I have that done there. Let me put this here like this. Now the other thing I meant to say was you could also, if you don't want the hole in the back, you could always cut this out and layer it on top, so you have 2 layers. And I think this is fun for like embellishments, you know. And so now you can kind of see, I think what I did, no, this one's upside down. Yeah, what I did was I kind of eyeballed it and put a T there for top. And then over here, the same thing. I kind of eyeball. My paper's kind of translucent so I can see. So I know that's the top. So when I glue it down, I know that if I bring those 2 together, it's going to be right on. I mean, unless you want it upside down, so if you go like that, you know. But that's what you do. And I'm just going to glue them. You could also stitch them together. I think that would be a fun detail. I'm just gluing. I have my sewing area covered with paper. I'm destashing. You guys, I found a place where you can sell your stuff for real cheap. So I've been destashing over there. It's called Vinted, Vinted. It's like an app. I don't know if they have, I'm pretty sure they have a website, but you can list all your stuff over there. So I've been listing stuff over there, like papers and stuff. There we go. Anyway, so this is my little project, you guys. Look how fun. Now I have cute little embellishments. I'm going to see if the Christmas ones work because I want to say I got them, but like I said, I also don't have the ink right now. So I'm going to have to go through my stash and see. of digital designs that I have. So I'm also going to, like, let me show you guys what I meant by this. See how you can just create a cute little, this is what I mean when I love to fussy cut. Like, this is why I take I've come to realize that I'm taking my sweet time making stuff, but it's because I do fussy cutting. And that takes me time and I don't pay attention, and the next thing you know, 20-30 minutes went by, but it's my peaceful time. I don't know how it feels like chill, like I don't have a problem, but there's other stuff like I hate waiting for it, you know? Okay, and so now I can just add this up here like this, or I could even stitch it, would have been cute, but I'm gonna do tiny little bit of foam tape. I have these little tapes here, these little pieces. I'm gonna do 3. We'll do one here, and one here. Just teeny tiny. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's getting so hot, you guys. And I'm having to commute right now, and it's driving me crazy. Just want to say I hate insurance, you guys. I'm having to deal with some stuff with my mom. Ugh, so annoying. Where's my little, I need a little, oh wow. I was gonna say my little pick, but oh, okay, there we go. Look at that. How cute is that? So now I have double-sided, but there we go. That's my little project I wanted to share with you guys. If you are into digital designs and printing, I think this is so fun. All right, friends, definitely check out #ScrapDiva Designs for more ideas and inspiration. The girls are killing it as always, and there's so many awesome guest designers that just keep inspiring us. Don't forget to use my discount code MWalker10 to save 10% on the dies. There are new paper collections coming to ScrapDiva Design Shop, you guys. Some super cute simple stories. I picked up Kringle Christmas, I think is what it's called. I can't remember. I just loved it. I don't know what I'm gonna make with it, but I had to have it in my stash. Although right now I'm not making much, but other than what I'm working on with the designs. But definitely check out what's available because it sells out fast and the season is going to be soon and coming. So yeah. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.